Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can swap content on your web page using the WebStarts page editor, and also how you can create some space on your page where you can insert some new content. Here, I'm looking at a page that I've created, and when I scroll down, I find two different sections, this one called Optimized for Mobile, and this one called the Most Responsive Effects, Fonts, and Assets. I want to swap the position of both of those content areas. We call them strips. So what I do is I go into the WebStarts page editor, and you can find that by logging into your account and clicking on Edit Site from the dashboard. In the WebStarts page editor, I go down to where this content exists and I select it, and the first thing you'll notice is that all of this content is attached to each other. We call this grouping. So this text box and this text box and this image are all grouped together on what we call a strip, which is this wide section of the page that can be moved around. If you're not sure how to create a strip, then the way that you do that is click on the add icon, choose box, choose strip, and then you can add that to the page, and then you can populate your strip just by selecting the different types of content and then dragging it over the strip, and you'll see it highlight and a little message appears that says attached to strip. Then those elements are attached to each other. But I've already done that for this demonstration, so I'm going to show you simply how to move all of those grouped elements on that strip down the page and swap them with the other content section, which is the Optimized for Mobile section that appears just below it. So now I've moved that first content section down the page, and what I've done is I've grabbed the content section I want to move up the page, and now I'm dragging it back into the position where that other strip was previously located. Now I'd scroll back down my page again, and I select my original strip full of its content, and I make sure that's butted right up against the bottom of the Optimized for Mobile section. So now I've rearranged those strips. There may be a time where you want to just create some space and then add maybe a new strip or other elements. If that's the case, use the up and down arrows attached to this handle. And what this handle does is it pushes everything below it down the page. So all the content is just being pushed down the page, and it's creating a little space where you can add some new content. So for example, if I wanted to add another strip, I could do that there. I could use the handles to resize it. And of course, I could do things like add images and text and whatnot to that strip. And you can see that it's attached just like that. If you ever want to get rid of a strip, just delete it by clicking on the red X. And then you can use that same handle to drag up your page and just close up that space. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your very own free website, and be sure to click subscribe and notify so that you can be the first to see new videos from WebStarts. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We always try our best to respond to everybody's comment. Thanks for watching.